Boston web designer fan here. This is in Framingham, Massachusetts. This pond is called Farmer's Pond, and I see swan dance today in real life. The dancing is very elegant. Swan made for life, and this is a big part of their mating behavior. They mirror each other in a very synchronized way, as you can see here. The dance is elegant. And pay attention, sometimes they open the wings. It just looks amazing. You know, it's hard to believe you can see that in the city. The dance also is important to bond them together.